Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making something special. Today we are making stewed beef. Hold on tight while I walk you through today's ingredients. Here we have beef cut up into stew size. We have celery, onions, carrot, potato, apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice. We have Worcestershire sauce, we have salt, and we have black pepper. Beef stock, bouillon powder, thyme, bay leaf, water, olive oil, tomato paste, and crushed garlic. Now that our prep is done, the next thing we're gonna do is to start. First, we're gonna add the oil to the pan. Wait for a couple minutes for the pan to get really hot. When the pan is hot, you can see it's smoking. Now we'll start to introduce our beef into the pot. After a couple minutes, you flip the other side so as to get it equally brown. Wow, look at that beautiful brown color. That's what you're trying to get. Don't burn the meat. Now that both sides it's all browned up, we're gonna take it out, put them in a bowl, and set aside for the next step. Next on our list of ingredients is what we call the Holy Trinity: carrot, celery, and onions. We mix that around for a few minutes until the onions is translucent, and then we're ready to go. Next, we add our garlic and tomato paste. Let the tomato paste cook for a few minutes, and then we add the other ingredients. We add thyme, bouillon powder, salt, black pepper. I'll mix that around a little bit, and then I'll bring back the sauteed beef. We give it a very good mix, and then we add the beef stock, the vinegar, the Worcestershire sauce. Move that around once again. Bay leaf, you let it simmer on a medium heat, and then you place a lid on it. So we're gonna let this cook until the vegetables are tender and not too crunchy, and then we can add the final ingredient, the potatoes. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Our vegetables are tender, our beef is tender, so I'm gonna add the last ingredient, which is the diced potatoes, and then we'll put the lid back on it and cook for about 10 more minutes. And now our stewed beef is ready. The next thing we're gonna do is to serve the dish. Look at that beautiful pot. Smells so good in here.